Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Weigh 200 g flour, 50 g cocoa, 100 g sugar, and 125 g cold butter so measurements are exact. Accuracy affects texture. Combine dry ingredients in a bowl and grate butter into small pieces to chill it faster. Once done, whisk 1 egg and 1 tsp vanilla in a separate cup. Keep the egg cold until ready because cold fat prevents spreading. This first step sets dough structure and flavor, so take a minute to confirm weights, and now rub the cold butter into the dry mix with fingertips until pea-sized crumbs form. This creates pockets of fat that make biscuits tender. Next, pour the egg vanilla blend and gently fold. Do not overwork the dough or gluten will toughen it. If using chips, fold them in at the end to keep distribution even. Once combined, press into a disc, wrap tightly, and chill 30 to 60 minutes. Chilling firms the fat so biscuits hold shape when baked. You finish by rolling chilled dough to about 5 mm and cutting shapes. Place them 2 cm apart so heat circulates. Preheat oven to 180 degrees and bake 10 to 12 minutes until edges set. Biscuit centers will firm as they cool. Once out, cool on the tray 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to avoid steam softening the bottoms. If biscuits spread too much, make sure dough and tray were cold. If underbaked, return for 1 to 2 minutes and check again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.